Alright guys, so today I'm going to talk about a couple of formulas that I usually use here every time I analyze some data. So the first formula is the if formula. Remember guys, please subscribe and if you like this video, please also like it. I'm doing this bootcamp. I'm trying to upload as many videos as I can. I'm doing it in English and in Spanish. And the main idea of this is to teach people for free how they can start into the data analysis industry. It's a really good world. I really like it because with data analysis, I mean, you can do mostly anything. I mean, it's a huge world. So I'm doing this because I really want you to be more analytics, or at least to take advantage of a lot of formulas. So this is the step 2 of the free bootcamp, data cleaning, right? Um, this is just for Excel. I'm going to start doing and using more languages like SQL, Python, Power BI, Tableau. I mean, yeah, it's a long way. There's a long way to to run. So, all right. The first formula that I'm going to teach you right now is if. So, if is working for conditional. So, this is pretty easy to use and it's pretty straightforward. For example, let's say this client, we have the value, right, of each client, how many we sold or how many does it, what's the value of this lead, right? So in this case, I'm going to put if equal if, and then I'm going to set or to choose the range, in this case this cell, is greater than 0, then great, awesome, or call, or whatever you want. You can put anything you want, you like here. So maybe call the lead. I don't know, something that, like that. It is otherwise too bad. Okay. So in this case, it's 0. Oh, too bad. Too bad. Every 0. Oh, for $4,000. Call the lead. $12,000. Call the lead. Right. So with this, you can start creating a couple of dashboards, like really simple dashboards. The next formula that I'm going to teach you is LEN, which is the length of anything. For example, it is pretty easy to use. It's just equal len. Then you can put any number here. So in this case, I use it for maybe credit cards, or maybe for phone numbers. So I put length and then I choose the formula, and I'll see if they have 11 numbers. It means that it is correct. Okay, so all of these numbers are correct. If you see that we're missing one, maybe that number is not correct, and maybe that lead they didn't follow. It didn't follow. Didn't fill out the form correctly. Left. Okay, so left is pretty easy to use. So basically, is equal to start a formula to call the formula left. Then let's say I want the first from left to right. The first, let's say, comma 3 letters. Okay, so Leonel, it's Leo, and right is the opposite. So right is the from right to left, the first, the last 3. In this case, let's say comma 3. Okay, his name is the last 3, CEO, and the first 3. Okay, Leo. You can modify this. You can change it for maybe 5. I don't know, Leone. I like that. Okay, Leonel, and yeah, you can do basically, you can choose whatever you want here. Okay, this is really helpful. So for example, anytime you need to see, I don't know, the first 3 digits of a credit card, or the last 4 digits of a credit card, or maybe the area code of a phone number. This is pretty useful. So thank you very much for watching this video, guys. If you have some questions, please let me know in the comments. Please subscribe and show me some love, send me some likes. And thank you very much. And don't forget that we are doing this at every other day, so I will upload more videos every other day. Thank you guys. Bye.